this video. In this video, we're going to see different type of duration units in Primavera P6, and also we're going to see how to enter a duration for an activity. For that, concentrate on the screen. Here you will see in the Primavera P6, we have already defined the activities, and here you can see the default duration of each and every activity. Here you will see the default duration is 5. Let me change the default duration. To change the default duration, go to the admin, click on admin preferences, and then go to the general option. Under general option, here you will see the default duration as 5 units. Let me change into 10 and then click on close. Let me add another activity. If you add another activity, it considers by default as a 10-day duration. Here you will see the 10 days. Again, if you want to change the default duration, go to the admin preferences. Let me type as a 20 days and then click on close, and then let me add an activity. Here you will see the default duration is 20 days. In this way, I can change the default duration. Again, let me go to the admin and then admin preferences. Here you will see first day of a week is Sunday. Let me change it to Monday and then click on close. It will be reflected in the calendars. Go to the enterprise and then go to the calendars option, and then let me click on any of the calendar. Here you will see by default the start of the week is Monday. Let me change into again Sunday. Let me close it. Go to the admin preferences, and then let me make it as a Sunday and then click on close. Let me go to the enterprise, calendars, click on modify. Now again it replaced with Sunday, click on OK. So in this way I can change the first day of a week as per my requirement from admin preferences, and then by using this option. Again let me go to the admin preferences and then go to the time period. Under time period, here we can see the abbreviations for different units. If you want to enter the duration in minutes, then you will have to type N. And if you want to enter the duration in hours, then you will have to type H for days, D for weeks, W for months, M, and for years, Y. Let me check the same in Primavera user interface. Let me close it. If I want to consider this activity as a 2 hours, type 2 and then H and then Enter. Here you will see the duration of the activity is 2 hours. But now here it's showing 0.25. Let me display the duration of this unit. To display the duration of the unit, go to the edit menu. Under edit menu, click on user preferences and then go to the time units, and here duration unit, you will see the default unit is in day. If you want to change, you can change from here. And along with the day, I want to specify the sub unit. Then click on sub duration label and then click on hours, and then let me change the decimal to 2 digits and then click on close. Here you will see 0 duration and 2 hours. Let me change this one to 5 hours, 5H, and you will see the 0 day and 5 hours. If I want to mention this as a 30 minutes, 30 and then N and then click on Enter. You will see this is a 30 minutes, that is 0.5 hour. Again, if I want to mention the duration as a 1 week, 1 type W and then now this is a 1 week, that is a 7 day. But if I want to display the unit as 1 week, then go to the edit option, click on user preferences and then select the time units, and then here you can change it to weeks and then click on OK. Now here you will see the duration is showing in weeks. Let me change into again days. Go to the edit option, click on user preferences and then go to the time units and then change into days, click on close. Again it changed to default duration as days. In this way I can enter the duration as per my requirements. Again let me go to the edit, user preferences and then go to the dates. Here we have different date formats. If you want to display month, day, year, you can select this button. If you want to display day, month, year, you can select this option. And also here you can show the time unit. Like if you want to select the 12 hours, it shows the AM and PM. If you select the 24 hours pattern, then it follows the 24 hours. And if you don't want to show the time unit, then you can just click on do not show time. Whatever the changes you will do here, that will be shown here. And then click on close. Now let me delete these 2 activities. Select it and use the cross button to delete the activity. Let me delete this activity also and then click on yes. Let me enter the duration of the activities as per the given assignment. The duration of first 3 activities is 2 days. Let me change into 2. Enter 2. By default the duration is in days. Let me enter the duration of this activity as 4 days, and then again the duration is 2 days, and then this one is 1 day. Now here you will see the sequence of activity has changed. If you want to bring it to the original position, click on activity ID, click on here. Now here you will see the activities IDs are in sequence. If you want to reverse it, click on this arrow again. Now here you will see the number is decreasing. Again let me click on this arrow, again it came into the original position. This is all about how to enter the different type of units in Primavera P6. That's it in this video. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.